In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when the Instagram filters aren't working on Instagram or if they're not loading or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tap on my profile icon at the top left where it says your story. That'll take me to the stories camera and you'll see the filters there at the bottom. But let's say those filters aren't popping up for you and it's just empty circles where you see the filters on my screen. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. So you can scroll down from the top of your screen and actually make sure you're on a Wi-Fi network or connected to data. You want to make sure that mobile data or Wi-Fi is selected on, because if you don't have any sort of connection to the internet, obviously the filters aren't going to load up and that could be causing your problem. Now, if they're still not showing up when you're connected to Wi-Fi or data, then it might be a bug within Instagram. Some data got corrupted or something within your app. So you can go out of the Instagram app, then open these settings on your phone. Once you're on the settings page, you want to find where it says apps. So I'm just going to find it real quick. Here it is there. Tap on apps. And then you want to scroll down until you find Instagram. So I'm just going to find Instagram, and the process is going to be different on an iPhone. You have to go to general, then iPhone storage, and then you'll find your apps and then tap on Instagram. And then you want to tap on storage. So this option right here. The first thing you're going to do once you're on this page is you're going to clear the cache and you want to clear the data as well. Now that's not going to delete your stuff on Instagram. It's just going to give you a fresh restart of the app, and the filter should work once you do that as well. And on an iPhone, it's just going to say offload app. So you'll offload the app, then you'll go back into Instagram and the filters should pop up there at the bottom. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.